Hello friends, welcome to KSK Current Affairs Analysis. Today we are discussing about October 2nd current affairs. In this video we are discussing about two topics. One is promotion of Buddhist sites under Swadesh Darshan and Prasad Prasad scheme, and the second one is graphene mask inactivates coronavirus. So first one is part of Indian heritage sites. This topic, promotion of Buddhist sites under Swadesh Darshan and Prasad scheme, is the part of Indian heritage sites. Okay, Prasad scheme. First of all, development of tourism related to infrastructures and in news and facilities at various Buddhist sites in India under flagship schemes of Swadesh Darshan and Prasad has been undertaken. Minister of Tourism. Steps taken. Swadesh Darshan scheme has included Buddhist circuit and spiritual circuit among its 13 thematic circuits. Okay. 30 projects for development of infrastructure have also been undertaken under the Prasad scheme. 30 projects for development of infrastructure have also been undertaken under the Prasad scheme. Buddhist sites at Bodh Gaya, Ajanta and Ellora have been identified to be developed iconic tourist sites. Buddhist conclave is again organized every alternate year with the objective of prompting India as a Buddhist destination. Signages have been installed in Chinese language at Buddhist monuments in Uttar Pradesh. Please remember this, signages have been installed in Chinese language at Buddhist monuments in Uttar Pradesh China language, and in Sinhala language in at Sanchi monuments in Madhya Pradesh. Chinese language in Uttar Pradesh, Sinhala language Sanchi monuments in Madhya Pradesh. Sinhala language in Madhya Pradesh. Please remember these two important points. Chinese language in Uttar Pradesh and Sinhala language in Madhya Pradesh. Sanchi monuments. Okay. Next, Prasad scheme. Prasad scheme. What is Prasad scheme? The National Mission on Pilgrimage, Rejuvenation on Spiritual Augmentation Drive. The National Mission on Pilgrimage, Rejuvenation and Spiritual Augmentation Drive, launched by Ministry of Tourism in 2014 to 2015. It was changed from Prasad to National Mission on Pilgrimage, Rejuvenation and Spiritual Heritage Augmentation Drive, Prasad, in October 2017. Prasad is changed to Pilgrimage, Rejuvenation and Spiritual Heritage Augmentation Drive. Please remember full form of Prasad. Okay, in October 2017. Objective of this scheme is first one is holistic development of identified pilgrimage destinations. Second one is rejuvenation and spiritual monument of important rejuvenation. Second one is rejuvenation and spiritual augment of important pillars. Okay, next, Swadesh Darshan scheme. It is a central sector scheme launched in 2014 and 15. Swadesh Darshan scheme. It is a central sector scheme launched. Swadesh Darshan scheme is a central sector scheme. Okay, central sector scheme launched in 2014 to 15. First one, integrated development of these theme-based tourist circuits in the country. Integrated development of theme-based tourist circuits in the country. Second one is to position the tourism sector as a major engine for job creation. For job creation also. The Ministry of Tourism provides central financial assistance, CFA, central financial assistance for infrastructure development of circuit. Next one is graphene mask inactivate coronavirus. Graphene mask inactivate coronavirus. This topic related to science and technology. This topic is related to science and technology. Okay. Recently, the researchers from the City University of Hong Kong have produced a laser induced form of graphene. Remember this word, laser induced form of graphene masks that inactivate the coronavirus species. Laser induced form of graphene masks that induced that inactivate the coronavirus species. The researchers are also planning to test this mask on COVID-19 SARS-CoV virus. Key points of this topic: all carbon containing materials such as cellulose or paper can be converted into graphene. All carbon containing material such as cellulose or paper can be converted into graphene. The researchers described the production of laser induced graphene as a green technique. The researchers described a production of laser induced graphene as a green technique. Benefits of this research. Benefits of this research is, first one is it is reusable, can also be produced at low cost. It is reusable and can also be produced at low cost. Important additions of this topic is graphene. It is a single layer or monolayer. It is a single layer monolayer of carbon atoms. It is the building block of graphite. It is the strongest known material about graphene. Other properties of this graphene is, first one is high thermal stability. Graphene have high thermal stability. Second one is high elasticity. Third one is high electrical conductivity, etc. Uses of graphene: it can be used in many authorized electronics to be biomedical devices like computers, solar panels, etc. Do you know about something about carbon? See, graphene, diamond, graphite and fullerenes are the important allotropes of pure carbon. Diamond, graphite and fullerenes are the important allotropes of pure carbon. Allotropy means property of some chemical elements to exist in two or more different forms. Property of some chemical elements to exist in two or more different forms in the same physical state. Graphene is also known as graphene is also known for antibacterial methane. And so graphene is also known as for antibacterial. That's it today. This is the topics of the promotion of Buddhist sites under Swadeshi Darshan or Prasad scheme, and next one mask, graphene mask inactivate coronavirus. These two complete these two topics. Please do subscribe and share, like and